There's Sally, the birthday girl, right behind Tobias. Yeah. There's Big Magic. Lucky and Baron. Annie. Magic looks pretty happy. There's Stella. Hey, Stella. Oh, wow. She gonna show off. Good job. Hey, Lucky. Good job. Charlie. And Beckett. And Pal. And Cosmo. Hey, Cosmo. And there's the birthday girl again. Sally, you're 9 today.